Hi, everyone, and welcome to Module 1, Scholarly Reading and Writing. This week we'll be speaking specifically about selecting a topic. And I know many of you likely started this program with a topic in mind. And so it's always exciting for me to see how topics begin and how they evolve, not just through this semester, but through all semesters. Want to take you very quickly through this module to show you what's here and how it works. So I believe I misspoke in the first video that said modules open on Sunday. They actually end on Sunday, and so your due dates are going to be Sunday at midnight, and modules begin on Monday. And so what you're going to see is that the modules are 2 weeks long and there will be something due each week. If you want to work ahead, that's absolutely okay to work ahead within this module, but do pay attention to due dates as they come up and let me know if you have any questions. But so first of all, I started off with terms and key points, and so this is a quick recording and then some slides about language that I use pretty frequently and don't want to assume that you know. So some of this might be a review, some of it might be new for you. We all are starting this journey in different spaces, and I think it's important that we all really understand what the language is. So what do I mean when I say seminal? What do I mean when I say position, things like that. So just a quick PowerPoint and video there. There's also then a whole section this first week about reading a source. And so what's the best way to attack an article? We're going to read articles really differently than when we read fiction or when we read a magazine. So articles should be read differently, and it's going to be really important to think about that process. And so there's some things to help you think about how you can read an article, how you can read it in order, how you can read it out of order, and what you should do from there. Instead of a quiz worth points, I have given you an option to take a test to test your own APA. Take this quiz. I think it's great and will really give you an idea of what you need to work on this semester. So do take a look there at the APA quiz. And then as you move into the second week of this module, you'll see that moving into really selecting a topic. And so going into the text that we use, and then also some resources about selecting a topic. Also have included some optional stuff about subjectivity and really how we position ourselves within our research topic. It's important for you to know how you come to the research. And so, but I know that you're really busy, and subjectivity is something that you'll get into a lot more as you continue on into the program, into your methods section. But I think it's important to think about our connection to our topics, just because that creates a reason for us to do this work. It kind of creates our why. But again, congratulations on starting this semester, making it through last semester of really doing the work and then coming into this doctoral program. I'm excited to start this with you and looking forward to reading your work and getting to know you through this work. And so happy Module 1, happy first week back. Looking forward to speaking with you soon.